G'day, here's a small deal of seam opal from Lightning Ridge, basically practice material, and that's how it's being sold. That's why it's so cheap. There's not a lot of colour in it, but it's something for you to be able to practice. I'll zoom in. Okay, I've zoomed in. Like I say, basically it's practice material. Some of it doesn't have any colour in it, very little. Bit of colour there in the middle possibly. It's semi-crystal, so with this material sometimes you get what we call a sun flash in it rather than a solid bar of colour. But the price reflects it as well. It's a bit more promising, that piece. Some of these pieces just been thrown in. Notice there's some weak colour in here. Anyway, hope you've enjoyed. Cheers.